Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I want to show you something very basic. We're going to be checking the power steering fluid. It's going to be very easy. You come right down here. This is your power steering reservoir. It's the cap, obviously. You've got levels marked right into the container. This is your low area. Your cold area. And this is your hot area. So if you've taken your vehicle for a ride, you went to the beach, you came back, it's probably hot by now. So you're going to check inside this range. If it's been sitting for a while like this one has, you're going to check the cool area or the cold area. You've got a bottom line down there, that's the low. An upper level, that's the max. As long as it's anywhere in between there, you're doing all right. If you find that you need to add some, all you would do, take this cap, turn it counterclockwise, wipe it off obviously. Put this aside, add your fluid, which should be Dextron ATF, okay? Fill it up to wherever it needs to be, which is just below the maximum. Take your cap, line it up where it needs to go, turn it fully clockwise, and off you go. And as always, if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.